Today we're unboxing two iPhone 14 Pros, the one in deep purple and the one in silver. And I gotta say, Apple is so good at detail. I mean, look at this, even the iPhone on the sides, one silver and one has like a purple tint. It's completely awesome. Let's go ahead and move the silver to the side because we're gonna unbox the deep purple first. Pull these off. And here we go. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks so good. I love the purple, but now this one's actually going to be my wife's. She really wanted the purple one. Let's put it off to the side real quick. Inside the box you get the info about no longer needing a physical SIM card. This has been a little bit of a pain for some people because you got to switch to eSIM in different countries and all that stuff, but in the US you no longer have a SIM card. You just have the eSIM. A couple more little paperwork things, and then also the Apple sticker. And of course they give you a cable, but no charging brick. This is a USB-C to lightning cable. Okay, move that off, and now, but yeah, if you look at it, the sides have a little bit of a purple tint to it, and then the back. Depending on the lighting, sometimes this can just look black, but if you get that light hitting it just right, I mean, it really looks purple. So let's go ahead and start powering this one up, and we'll go ahead and put it off to the side and pull out the silver. Now this is the one that I got to try out. I think I'm gonna be switching to the 14 Pro, but I'm not positive yet. So take those off and unbox. Oh, you just can't go wrong with the white and silver. Same things in the box, we don't need to go over that again. Peel this off. Look at that. Oh, that looks so good. I love the reflections of the silver. Now this one will scratch a lot easier than the other options just because they have an extra coating over top for that color, but it just looks so good and just shines, especially when it's new, but it keeps most of that. So I always love the white and the silver. What do you guys think? Which one would you go for? Leave a comment down below and let me know. I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you all in the next one. God bless.